We have the trailer hooked back up to the truck, which means it is officially time to go pick up the Nova from Body and Paint. There she is. Stitch is painted and ready to come home. I'm super excited that the Nova is back home and painted. This color looks absolutely phenomenal. It's hydro blue metallic pearl with the triple nickel silver stripes. I just can't even express how good this looks to me. I love it. I'm super excited. I'm so glad we got this done. And now we got some more work to do. We're working on getting some insulation installed on the interior, and we've actually already went ahead and popped in the tail lights. So those are looking really good. So we've got about a month, almost a month exactly, until the rod run and pigeon forward for the fall. So we got a lot of work to do between now and then. Keep up with the vlog videos if you want to see the progress of this Nova and see if we get it completed in time to go to the car show. Let me know what you think about this color combination on the Nova, the hydro blue metallic with the triple nickel silver stripes. And make sure you're ready for more Nova videos to come as we get this car ready for the rod run. Fingers crossed we make it in time. For now, this is Southpaw Garage signing out.